Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and have you ever been a little bit embarrassed that your car isn't exactly dust-free when somebody gets in it? Well, having these inner clean wipes from Chemical Guys has solved that problem for me. I absolutely love how convenient and how well these wipes work. They are perfect for keeping in my little center console so that even when I have unexpected guests in my car, or maybe I just want to make it nice and clean a little bit, I can turn right to these pre-moistened wipes. They are so easy to use and they leave my car looking beautiful and clean. I personally really love to use them on everything in my car, especially on my top dashboard and my door panels. It really just freshens the area up. Not only does this leave my car looking nice and clean, but it leaves it smelling so good. I don't know exactly what the scent is, but it's really nice and tropical and I absolutely love it. I love using the Chemical Guys Inner Clean Spray for more deep cleaning, but these wipes are perfect for on-the-go maintenance to give my car a little refresh. So if you want your car looking and smelling amazing in a matter of seconds, then definitely check out these Chemical Guys Inner Clean wipes. But that's just my point of view.